My name is Oliver Queen. For 5 years, I was stranded on an island with only one goal. Survive.
Oliver Queen is alive.
Now I will fulfill my father's dying wish.
Make it home. Right my wrongs.
No! To use the list of names he left me and bring down those who are poisoning my city. To do this, I must become someone else. I must become something else.
Oh my God. What is wrong with your face?
What do you mean?
There's something really weird on it, like this thing with your mouth. It looks like it's in the shape of a smile.
That's cute.
So why are you grinning?
I took your advice with Laurel to be myself.
And?
It's helping.
Like a mad relationship skills, bro. Let me know if you need trendy places to propose.
I think you're getting a little bit ahead of yourself.
And Romanoff.
You gotta keep up.
On keeping all those cameras Wells used to spy on us? It's kind of creepy, don't you think?
First rule of mechanical engineering, dude. Never waste good tech. Central City Gold Reserve's under attack.
Gold. That's the case Singh wants us on. I'll be right back. It's a bad day for this, pal.
Your eye movement is normal. No signs of neurological damage.
Do you think the thief might have been a metahuman who put the whammy on you or something?
Look, I don't know. When Rainbow Raider got in my head, all I felt was anger. But this was not that. This was just overwhelming fear.
Huh. Looks like when you went down, the thief got disoriented too.
Maybe we both got whammied.
Jason Brodeur!
What do you want?
You're gonna confess that you arranged to have Peter Declan's wife murdered. What, so I can take his place in prison?
So you can avoid the death penalty.
Except if I'm dead. Well, then you got no one to pin Camille's murder on. You need me to exonerate Peter Declan. Maybe you could try to force me to sign a confession or something.
That might be difficult.
My hand!
Just answer it.
What?
Zakov, it's going down. 1 hour.
What's going down in an hour?
What? Let's just say Peter Declan's execution, it's getting moved up.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, you have to listen to me. We still have a shot. Do you remember the friend that I mentioned? The one who believes in you? He's working on something.
I told you. Jason Brodeur is powerful.
Time to unlock the cages.
I've been here before. These lawyers, holding out these little nuggets of hope. What the?
Secure all corridors, so Black C.
The one is setting up a secure perimeter in C block. Stay here, Miss Lance.
Let's go!
Go, go, go!
What are you doing to me? Help! Sentinel, help me! I can hear you in my head. You are telepathic. Please. Father, you mean Wells? Wells, is that what you mean? Where is he? Not here. Here. Is this what you want? You can have it. It's yours.
Grodd, hate, banana.
Grodd is a gorilla.
5 years ago, Eiling and Wells were working on a project to expand soldiers' cognitive abilities during battle.
What we didn't realize is that Eiling was trying to create soldiers with psychic abilities.
Why?
Eiling was trying to create these super soldiers with telepathic and telekinetic capabilities.
But when Dr. Wells found out about the terrible experiments that Eiling was doing, he shut down the entire project.
What happened to Grodd?
We don't know. After the particle accelerator exploded, I went down to check on him, and his cage was empty.
When the dark matter hit Grodd, all the drugs and serums that Eiling injected him with could have activated. Maybe the accelerator explosion created a meta-gorilla. And I think we know what happens when a super-intelligent ape who's pissed off at humans escapes captivity.
Cisco's right about the first part. This is the first brain scan that I did on Grodd.
Whoa. His primary motor cortex and Broca's area are lit up like a Christmas tree.
From Eiling's experiments. And this is the brain scan that I just did on Eiling. His brain is lit up in the exact same way. Who knows what Grodd is capable of now?
What do we think Grodd wants? Revenge?
I don't know what to do. I'm gonna help.
Know anything about gorillas?
supersonic punch failed.
Here we go. It's okay, Cisco. That's working.
Yes. Okay, try some speed punches on him.
This isn't working!
What if you try?
Barry!
Barry's brain activity is off the charts. It's way worse than last time.
What's happening to him?
Grodd's attacking him psychically. He's paralyzed.
Come on, there's a service train coming.
Do something, please.
I can't stop the train.
Barry, you have to get out of there now.
What do we do?
Barry.
Stand up to Grodd. You can do this. Please.
For me. Barry?
I'm bringing him home.
I'm gonna show you something beautiful. Everyone screaming for mercy.
After the war, HYDRA was founded, and I was recruited. The new HYDRA grew, a beautiful parasite inside SHIELD.
You will bring death to all who follow you.
It's the end.
The HYDRA.
Lizard. It's okay. We stopped. Okay, let's get you out of here.
I tried to do good. It didn't work out. I know that it probably sounds insane. It probably is, but Sarah, she gave me this. And when I wear it, it makes me want to help people like she did. Like she's alive again. I need your help.